Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the website link on your LinkedIn profile using your PC, following the latest LinkedIn update. If you want your profile to reflect your current website or portfolio, just follow these simple steps. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and the word Me. Click on Me to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can manage all your personal information. On the left side of the screen, find and click on Account Preferences. Under this section, you'll see several options. Click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can update your basic profile details. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Edit Contact Info. Click on it to open your contact details, including your email, phone number, and website links. To change your website, locate the website field. Click on the pencil icon or the Edit button next to your current website URL. Delete the old link and type in your new website address. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. Once you're happy with the new website, look for the Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the section. Click it to save your changes. LinkedIn will update your profile with the new website link instantly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your website on your LinkedIn profile using your PC. Keeping your contact info up to date ensures that visitors and potential connections always have the right way to reach you or check out your latest work. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.